Hi y'all, welcome to Learn Easy channel. Today we are going to solve mensuration exercise 23B from question number 16. Okay, find the area of a triangle whose base is 30 centimeter and height is 18 centimeter. Given the base is equal to 30 centimeter and height is given as 18 centimeter. We need to find the area of triangle. The formula for area of triangle is half into base into height. Okay, so substitute and find out the answer. Half into base is 30 into height is 18. So cancel out 2 into 15, right? So now 15 into 18 will give 270 centimeter square. Okay, this is the answer for the above question. Now we will move on to the next question. Find the height of a triangle whose base is 18 centimeter and area is 270 centimeter square. In this question they have given the base as 18 centimeter and they also have given the area as 270 centimeter square. But we need to find the height. So again use the same formula. Area of triangle is equal to half into base into height. Okay, area they have given as 270. Okay, 270 is equal to half into base is 18 into h, right, as h. So actually we need to find h, right? So take all other numbers to the other side. 270, this 2 if it goes to the numerator, divided by 18 comes to the denominator when it comes to the other side. Okay, now cancel out using two tables, 2 and 9. Again cancel out using 9 table, 9 one time and 9 3s are 27, 0. So h is equal to, we got 30 centimeter. So h is equal to 30 centimeter. This is the answer for the above question. Next question, the area of a right angle triangle is 160 centimeter square. If its one leg is 16 centimeter long, find the length of the other leg. In this one they have given the area as 160 centimeter square and base is given as 16 centimeter. They have given one leg is 16 centimeter long. I am taking that as base. So base is equal to 16 centimeter. So we know area and we know the base. We can find the height using the area formula. Area is equal to half into base into height. Substitute for area 160 and base 16. Okay, cancel out using two tables, 2 into 1 time, 2 into 8 times. So now we can find h is equal to 160. Take this 8 to the other side. So you will get 8, cancel out using 8. 2 times is 16, 0. So 20 centimeter. So height is equal to 20 centimeter. This is the answer for the above question. Next question. Find the area of a right angle triangle whose hypotenuse is 13 centimeter long and one of its leg is 12 centimeter long. So here the hypotenuse is 13 centimeter and one side is 12 centimeter. We need to find the other side. Okay. To find the other side we can use Pythagoras theorem. Okay. By Pythagoras theorem, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Substitute for AC square, which is 13 square, and AB we need to find. So write AB square plus BC square is 12 square. So 13 square is 169 and AB square plus 144. So from this we can find AB square as 169 minus 144, which gives 25. So AB square is equal to 25. From this AB is equal to root of 25, which is 5 centimeter. So now we found out the other side, that is this height is equal to 5 centimeter. Nothing but height is equal to 5 centimeter. And this is nothing but base, right? Okay. Now we can find the area of triangle. We're using the formula half into base into height. Substitute for base 12 into height 5. Cancel out using 2. So 6 into 5 is 30 centimeter square. So area of the triangle is equal to 30 centimeter square. This is the answer for the above question. Next question. Find the area of an equilateral triangle whose each side is 16 centimeter and they are given root 3 is equal to 1.73. We have to use for root 3 as 1.73. Okay. First understand the equilateral triangle. In equilateral triangle, all sides are equal. Like they have given each side as 16 centimeter. So each side will be, the length will be 16 centimeter. The length of all the sides will be equal. Okay. So to find the area of an equilateral triangle, we have to use a formula root 3 by 4 into a square, where a is nothing but the length of the side. Okay, so a is equal to 16 centimeter, which is given. So now substitute and find out the answer. Root 3 by 4 into a square is 16 square. Right? So which is equal to root 3 by 4 into 16 into 16. Cancel out using 4, 4 into 4. So 16. So multiply for root 3, you substitute as 1.73 into 4 into 16. When you multiply, you will get 110.72 centimeter square. This is the answer for the above question. This is the area of equilateral triangle. So if they have mentioned find the area of an equilateral triangle, then you have to use a formula root 3 by 4 into a square. Simply they have given like find the area of a triangle. Then you have to use a formula half into base into height. In that case, the base and height should be given. Next question, the sides of a triangle are 21 centimeter, 17 centimeter and 10 centimeter. Find its area. In this question, they have given only the length of sides. So I am taking the length of sides as A is equal to 21 centimeter, B is equal to 17 and C is equal to 10 centimeter. So you have to use the formula area of a triangle is equal to square root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Here S is nothing but semi-perimeter of a triangle. To find the semi-perimeter of a triangle, just add all the sides A plus B plus C and divide by 2. So if you add all the sides, you will get perimeter of a triangle. But we want semi-perimeter. So S is equal to A plus B plus C divided by 2. Okay, first we'll find out S, that is semi-perimeter. 21 plus 17 plus 10 divided by 2. So when you add these three, we will get 48 divided by 2, which gives 24. So we found out S as 24 centimeter. Now substitute in the above formula, area of the triangle formula. Area is equal to root of S is nothing but 24 into again 24 minus S minus A, 24 minus 21 into 24 minus 17. S is 24 minus 10. Okay. Now first subtract 24 minus 21 is 3. 24 minus 17 is 7. 24 minus 10 is 14. Now to find the square root of this number is somewhat difficult. So what you can do is, a simple way is split this into factors. So 24, I am splitting the factor as 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. 8 into 3 times is 24. Okay, again write this 3 here because it is a prime factor. Again 7. For 14, 2 into 7. Now take out if you take out the square root, you will get for 2 into 2, there are 2 2's are there. So write it as 1 2 into here 1 2 and here 1 2 is there. For that I am writing it as another 2 into, there are 2 3's. So writing it as 1 3 into again 7 into 7, I am taking it as into 7. 1 7. Okay. Now multiply 2 2's are 4, 4 3's are 12 and 12 into 7 is 84. So the area of the triangle is 84 centimeter square. This is the answer for the above question. Next question. Find the area of an isosceles triangle whose base is 16 centimeter and the length of each of equal side is 10 centimeter. Here they have given in the question itself, it is an isosceles triangle. So the property of isosceles triangle is the two sides are equal. Okay, the length of two sides will be equal. So that they have given us 10 centimeter. and the base they have given us 16 centimeter. So we need to find the area. To find the area, the formula is half into base into height. So we need to find this height, that is nothing but AD. We need to find AD, then only we can able to find the area of the triangle. So to find the AD, what we have to do, we can take, let AD is perpendicular to BC. This AD is perpendicular to BC, right? And BD. Now half of BC is nothing but 16 by 2. Half of BC is nothing but, the whole BC is 16 centimeter. Half of BC is 16 by 2, which is nothing but 8 centimeter. Half of BC is nothing but BD. This BD is nothing but half of BC is BD, right? So BD is equal to 8 centimeter. So we need actually we need to find this AD. Then only we can able to find the area of triangle. So to find AD, we know this side, and there is BD we know, and AB also we know it is 10 centimeter. With the help of Pythagoras theorem, we can find AD. So by Pythagoras theorem, in triangle ABD, AB square, that is the hypotenuse, is equal to AD square plus BD square. AD square is nothing but, that we don't know, right? So AD square plus BD square is 8 square and AB square is 10 square. So from this we can find AD. AD square is equal to 10 square is 100 minus 64. Like I am taking the numbers to the other side. So 100 minus 64 is 36. AD square is 36. So AD is equal to, root of 36 is nothing but 6. So 6 centimeter. Now we found out AD as 6 centimeter. So now we can use the formula. Area of triangle is half into base into height. Half into base is 16 into height is 6. Cancel out using 2. 2 into 3 times is 6. 16 into 3 is 48 centimeter square. So this is the answer for the above question. We found out the area of the triangle as 48 centimeter square. Next question, find the base of a triangle whose area is 360 centimeter square and height is 24 centimeter. So in this question they have given area as 360 centimeter square and height h is equal to 24 centimeter. We need to find base. So using the area of a triangle formula, we can find half into base into height. From this we can find base. Okay. Here given is area is 360. This 2 when goes to the other side into 2 divided by h. H is nothing but this h when goes to the other side, it comes down. So h equal to b, right? H is nothing but 360 into 2 divided by, substitute for h, 24. Okay. Now cancel out using 2 into 12 times, and again using 3 into 4 times is 12. 3 into 1 time, 2 time, 6, 0. Again for 1 time, 4 3s are 12, 0. So answer is for B is equal to, that is base of a triangle B, base is equal to 30 centimeter. The answer is 30. So this is the answer for the above question. Next question, the legs of a right angle triangle are in the ratio 4:3 and its area is 4056 centimeter square. Find the length of its legs. Here they are given it is a right angle triangle and they have given the legs, the ratio as 4:3. Okay, now we need to find the length of its legs, and the given is area equal to 4056 centimeter square. So now we can take, let one leg, I am taking here base, the base as 3x, base is equal to 3x, and the second leg That is height I am taking here as 4x. This I am taking here it as 4x. Now substitute in the formula, half into base into height. We know half into base as 3x into height as 4x. So what you will get? 2 into 2 times, okay, so 3 into 2 is 6x square. We know the area as 4056. Now from this we can find x square is equal to 4056 divided by 6, cancel out using 6. 6 into 6 times 36, 4, so you will get 45, 6 7s are 42, 3, 36, so 6. Okay, now you got x square is equal to 676. From this we have to find x, that is root of 676. But root of 676 is quite difficult. So what we can do, we can find using LCM. Take the LCM of 676. 2 3s are 6, 2 3s are 6, 2 1s are 1 here, 2 8s are 16. Again 2 1 time, 2 6 times is 12, 1, 2 9 times is 18. So 169, you know, 13 into 13 is 169. So this will go in 13. 13 1 time is 13, 3, 39. 39 will be here. So 13 into 3 times is 13 into 3 times is 39. Okay. So 13 into 13 is 169. So now we got it as 2 into 2 into 13 into 13. When you take the square root, you will get 2 into 13. Okay, this is square root of 676. When you take out, you will get 2 into 13, which is 26. So square root of 676 is nothing but 26. So x is equal to 26 centimeter. Now find out, therefore 3x will be 3 into 26, which is 78 centimeter, and 4x is equal to 4 into 26, which is 104 centimeter. Okay, so we found out the answer for the length of the legs, right? We need to find the length of the legs. So length of the legs is, they have given in the ratios of 3x, that is one leg is 78 centimeter and the other leg is 104 centimeter. So this is the answer for the above question. Next question, the area of an equilateral triangle is 64 into root 3 centimeter square. Find the length of each side of the triangle. We know the formula, area of equilateral triangle is equal to root 3 by 4 a square. So use that formula to find the side of the triangle. So root 3 by 4 into a square is equal to, the given in the question is 64 into root 3. Okay, from this we can find a square is equal to 64 into root 3. When this goes to the other side, what will happen? Root 3 will come down and 4 goes to the numerator. Okay, now cancel out root 3 and root 3. So 64 into 4. 64 into 4 is 256. So a square is equal to 256. So a is equal to, when you root of 256. So root of 256 is nothing but 16. So a is equal to 16 centimeter. So this is the answer for the above question. We need to find the length of each side of the triangle. Since it is an equilateral triangle, all the sides are equal. So if you find the length of one side, all the sides will be equal. So the length of each side of a triangle is equal to 16 centimeter. Equal to 16 centimeter. This is the answer for the above question.